Hi people, in today's video we are going to be taking a look at a command line tool that can be used to send files from one system to another. It's called Magic Wormhole. It's a command line utility written in Python which allows us to send file instantly from one system to another. We can install it with Python's default package manager. For installing it, we should write pip install code. It will install the Magic Wormhole in our system. I have it already installed. So now let us try sending some files. I'm going to be sending this video from this machine to an Ubuntu virtual machine running in my Ubuntu virtual machine. You can do this in any two systems. For sending it, we must open a command prompt and run. This is the file we want to send. For sending it, we should write word send and the file name and hit enter. It will provide us with the unique code for receiving the file. For receiving this file, we should run this command in the uh, recipient system. So let us copy this command. Let us run this command. And hit enter. Plus y. We can see that the file has started transfer. The great thing about this software is that we don't have a limit for the file size, and we don't need to create an account, log and login, etc. And these are some of the merits of this program. And that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for videos like this.